close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love.
Hi guys, I am Nidhi Tandon and we are a 18-year-old brand of Delhi Exhibition World, and now we are in the YouTube fraternity with our 5 awards on Facebook and a lot of data on Instagram and Facebook. We are now here with you guys on the YouTube fraternity with our own channel, which is really showing us wonders. So now let me go back to how to order with us. So first of all, you can order if you're taking it for wholesale reasons or for your store or your multi-designer store, or you're a new startup. We are with you in your journey. और ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको हमारे से सेट्स उठाने हैं, आप एक एमलगमेशन ले सकते हैं सिंगल पीसेस की, सो दैट यू कैन हैव द टेस्ट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो आप एक एक पीस ले सकते हैं किसी भी साइज में आप लेना चाहें. एंड देयर इज नो COD with us. We have DHL and delivery couriers. Here in India we have delivery couriers and DTDC, and abroad we have DHL. So I'm not a new face. I'm a very old face. Just be with us and support us as you have been supported. Starting with the exclusive range Mystic Studio of quad sets, and this one is a very pretty one. All sizes are available, and the latest white off-white number, dirty white कह सकते हैं आप. All handwork. All the quad sets which I'm showing you are in between 1350 to 1888. Another one is this. So this one is a hand paint piece and with an apple cut, and you can see these beautiful tassels on it. Another one, small से लेकर ये XL तक available है. बहुत सुंदर सा quad है, और इस पर this is the handwork. We also have a white color in it. And another piece which I'm showing you is a single piece lucky number XL to XXL. Another one is again a single piece lucky number, wherein there's an embroidery on the sleeves and evil eyes. The size is only 40-42, and the whole size chart is available in these two beautiful quads. And look at the handwork. बहुत सुंदर सा हाथ का काम दिखेगा आपको इन पे. And even on the sleeves, if you see the sleeves, 2 trending colors, very very nice pieces. And इस तरह से sleeves पे work. Another 2 pieces which I am showing you are good as small free sizes, because there's a belt on the side. इस तरह से belt आ रही है, आप try कर सकते हैं, और पूरा handwork. And now some hip covering quads. So these are 3 colors in the hip covering quads. They're very nice numbers. पूरे के पूरे अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ से पूरा आपका एम्ब्रॉयडरी है और पैचिंग है. एम्ब्रॉयडरी एंड पैच एंड अ लिटिल लेस डाउन बिलो टू गिव इट अ पाकिस्तानी लुक. दे आर वेरी प्रिटी quads. Another pieces. ये भी आपका फ्री साइज कैटेगरी में आएगा, बिकॉज साइड पर अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पर टाई ऑन बेल्ट है, लेस है, और बहुत प्रिटी से क्वाड्स है. पूरा हाथ का काम है, एंड दे आर वेरी प्रिटी पीसेस विद वर्क ऑन द कॉलर टू द डाउन बिलो. वेरी प्रिटी क्वाड्स. इफ you are a person who wants to collect for their different stores, it's a perfect amalgamation of this video. Now these two beautiful quads, small, medium, large के अंदर ही रहेंगे ये, और पूरे कॉटन लिनन के कंसेप्ट से. और look at the amount of work, it's really a pretty quad. Next quad is a crepe quad. बहुत सुंदर सा crepe का quad है. Medium to XL is available. This is a single piece, large, again a Pakistani concept. So small, medium, large can apply. And now a beautiful quad. Look at this. इस पे अगर आप देखोगे तो Swarovski से we have this made coin work and a beautiful nice quad. Very very pretty. और इसकी pants पे we have work like this. This is the work on the pants. Small, medium, large and XL. Very, very pretty article. Beautiful statement print and a rich dye. Another piece is a pure linen. ये भी आपका मीडियम से लेकर एक्सेल तक रहेगा और यहाँ पर सारा हैंडवर्क है. इट्स अ प्योर कॉटन लिनन. Very nice cord for the summer. Look at the workmanship of it. So this is all jute fixing. Very, very nice cutouts of jute. Super soft classics. Same color Lurex cotton trousers. And a very beautiful color tone for the summer edit. And we haven't forgotten the fluorescent lovers. We have this XL to a double XL in this one. All handwork.
3XL.
एंड सिमिलर पीस में हमारे पास ये है टर्कोइस. सो आप ये भी देख सकते हैं. ये आपका डबल एक्सेल तक जा रहा है, ये आपका ट्रिपल एक्सेल तक जा रहा है. बहुत प्यारे से कोट्स हैं. एंड देन वी हैव दिस वन. वी हैव दिस अवेलेबल फ्रॉम M to a XL. M to a XL ओनली. और ये भी M to a XL. सो ये बाटिक है और बहुत सुंदर सा कोड. इस पे बाटिक आ रहा है. And the next to go is again a free size cord between a medium to a XL. This is a Bling Edit Mystic Studio and look at these beautiful nice shirts. So this is all kaddana. ये चिपका हुआ नहीं है. This is all embroidered and that's the back. So सब कुछ common यही रहेगा आपका. ये यहाँ पर चाक पे embroidery this and this. So this is the piece one, medium to large. Another one to go is this piece and this is good up till a double XL. So medium to double XL, a good nice electric blue color. Another one, small, medium only. Please note the sizing. इसमें आपको सारी sizing मिल जाएगी. At the moment we have small, medium and a large. Another piece to go is a beautiful light grey. बहुत सुंदर सा लाइट ग्रे आ रहा है ये. और इसके अंदर अगर आप देखोगे तो ग्रे के ऊपर हमने ब्लू से एम्ब्रॉयडरी करी है. Isn't it pretty? Medium to double XL. Another piece is a piece. So these are really statement pieces if you are procuring for wholesale also. They're just beautiful pieces. And pricing. प्राइसिंग जो मैं बोल रही हूँ ये सारी रिटेल की प्राइसिंग रहेगी हमारी सिंगल पीस सेल की, जो कि रहेगी 175. एंड नाउ दीज ब्यूटिफुल शॉर्ट जैकेट्स विच आर फ्री साइजेस. सो देखो इसके पीछे है कड्डाना, आगे है कड्डाना. 1, 2 आर ब्यूटिफुल कलर्स. कलर 1, कलर 2, कलर 3. And do not miss this beautiful printed piece. And these beautiful, you can wear it on sarees, you can wear it otherwise. कहीं पे भी डालना चाहें आप डालें. आप इसको कोट भी बना सकते हैं. They are just beautiful pieces. And now some bling quads by Mystic Studio. So these bling quads are really ravishing quads. आप किसी भी छोटे sundowners, किसी भी छोटे functions में इनको यूज कर सकते हैं. And these pretty. और इसी के आपको मैंने एक बॉटम दिखा दिया. Look at these beautiful pieces. Color 1, color 2 and color 3. They are just beautiful pieces. The price point of these are 3500 retail. And now very pretty set. Very very pretty set. ये देखो बहुत pretty सा सेट है ये. बहुत रिच डायरीज है. ये इसका बैक. This is an exclusive piece Mystic Studio and a classic. इसके नीचे आप inner बनवाएं and you are ready to rock a reception or a cocktail. Similar to this is a similar unique piece like this. So these kind of unique pieces are just beautiful and very nice numbers. So this is all about a Bling Edit and now showing you our beautiful classic kaftans. So black on black में हमारे पास 2 पीसेस हैं. उसमें एक हमारा सैंपल है ये, दूसरा सैंपल है हमारा ये, बहुत सुंदर से ब्लैक ऑन ब्लैक. एंड नाउ अनदर वन. सो ये हमारे देखो तो बहुत सुंदर सी एम्ब्रॉयडरीज है, ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर, दोनों सिमिलर ट्विनिंग्स है. इवन इफ यू आर ट्विनिंग विद योर कजन और अ सिस्टर, these are the best pieces. And another piece, look at these very pretty numbers. और स्टोन वर्क में हमारे पास ये बहुत प्रिटी सा पीस आ रहा है और बहुत प्रिटी डायरीज है. ये बर्न्ट ऑरेंज, ब्यूटिफुल बर्न्ट ऑरेंज. एंड जस्ट गो ऑन सीइंग अ ब्यूटिफुल नाइस क्लासिक pieces. They are just outstanding. And now a dirty white, beautiful dirty white, guys, do not miss it. Very pretty dirty white. बहुत प्यारे से pieces हैं. Very very pretty diaries. They have all got a common point that हल्का फुल्का काम आपको पीछे मिलेगा. जैसे ये दोनों बिल्कुल भी ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है, आप ड्रेसेस की तरह भी डाल सकते हो ना बीच. And if you're ready to rock a blingy party, do not miss this piece. और इसी का subtle version is this white. So we have both the options ready for you. And another stone work piece. Do not miss it. और ये आ गया आपका थोड़ा सा long classic piece. And another beautiful statement piece in the white diaries. Very rich. And to top it all is this orange. 2 and 3 pieces stitch suits, and this one is a masterpiece. So this has to be seen very very carefully. It's a Pakistani vibe with laces, and the bag is extra. In case you want it, you can ask us the pricing for the bag. It's just a vibe, and this is a very very pretty piece. It's a pure cotton linen, and look at the beautiful look of the piece. Price is strictly on demand on the exclusive Stories Mystic Studio. And another piece which I am showing you is this one. Size of this is good up till an XL. It's again a beautiful vibe with this bag. Otherwise you can buy a 2-piece set like this. Another piece which I am showing you are these 2 beautiful pieces. और ये जो pieces मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ ये आपके medium to XLs तक आएंगे और बहुत प्यारे से मसलिन के pieces हैं. The price is only and only 1,888. 1,888 only. And now this beautiful piece 1650 only with gota. All sizes are available till 46. All sizes available till 46, and this is all sizes available till 48. Price of this particular piece with so much of zari work is only and only 2488 with this beautiful dupatta. So it's a masterpiece which you're getting at a good price. And now a single exclusive series medium to a double XL is a sharara piece. Price is only and only 2588. And look at the pieces which we have put on sale. They are the tulip pant concepts which are only and only 2,888. Color one is this. Look at the work. Typically a Hina Kocho sort of a category. 2,888 only. That's the exclusive series Mystic Studio. And now सिंगल पीस सेल में एक बहुत सुंदर सा जॉर्जेट के ऊपर ये क्लासिक सा पीस है. आई एम सॉरी आई एम डिस्क्राइबिंग इट अ लॉट बट लुक एट द हैंड पेंट ऑन इट. इट इज अ मास्टरपीस. दैट्स द दुपट्टा with hand paint and the sleeves with hand paint. It's an exclusive range on sale. Then we have these 2 pieces which are restocked on special demand. These are also cotton per total hand paint, and do not miss out to the dupatta vibe. Dupatta makes it look so gorgeous, and both the colors are equally competing with each other, and a perfect summer vibe. The latest of the latest arrivals is this beautiful muslin for all ages, for little pujas and functions in your family. This is the perfect vibe, whether you are in northern India or south India. All sizes available till 2XL. And now this exclusive range with one color beating the other. is this very rich diaries. Sleeves are like this and bottom is like this. Isn't it a pretty piece? Yes, it is. Very, very pretty vibe. Both the colors are equally challenging colors. कहीं से भी आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा challenging नहीं है. From the chark to this to the sleeves, it is a masterpiece strictly on price and demand. And now there will be people quoting us कि oh God, Mystic Studio ने price नहीं दिया यार, resellers को भी तो respect करना है. So here you are with this beautiful, nice sleeve work, all hand work, and a beautiful Georgette diaries. Isn't it pretty? And a good nice steel color. We haven't forgotten different festivities in India with this piece. We have all sizes, and this, if you go to Devasya Khan Market, you'll see the same piece at a very exorbitant rate. I have it in the same color, unfortunately at 5 times more the price. And here you are with another piece, all sizing available in this. A very nice Pakistani vibe with a soft muslin diaries. And now a piece which will go up till a 3XL and a perfect chiffle for you. ये देखिए, very elegant stitched number. Another piece is this. ये आपका size constraint रहेगा. ये small, medium, largest को ही आएगा. Please note it. That's the dupatta. These are beautiful pieces, but unfortunately they are unstitched. But these are par excellence beauties, and you can see the leather work out here. It's a beauty, and both the colors are equally challenging. ये आपका organza का piece है और बहुत प्यारे से pieces हैं. Exclusive diaries, black and off-white. Another exclusive piece in the unstitched diaries are these very pretty muslin zari work pieces, which are just super nice and amazing. Aren't they pretty? Yes, they are. So sometimes when you have to really take the beauty out of India, it's always and always a unstitched piece. Now some quads and kurta quads and some suits. So first piece is good for a plus size as well, with a golden neck piece and a off-white trousers. This is good for the plus sizes also. This we have from a medium to a good double XL size. Price is 2188. The price is 2488 up till an XL. Another piece is with a tulip pant concept. It's a beautiful diaries. ये आपका tulip pants आ गया. Medium to double XL available. 2188. Another exclusive diaries with a neck piece. All sizing available till double XL. So this is an apple cut. It's all in all सारा अगर आप देखोगे तो पैचिंग हुई हुई है organza से plus beading. Again, patching and embroidery and beading. So this is a designer boutique piece. This is not available in any market. Price is only and only with the neck piece, 2350. A very exclusive piece. Again with a harem pant. Size is a constraint. Small, medium and a large only. Very rich diaries and the latest diaries by us. Look at this. So this has pants पे भी अगर आप देखोगे तो ये क्लॉथ की मैचिंग है, एम्ब्रॉयडरीज हैं, बहुत ही प्यारे आर्टिकल्स हैं, पाकिस्तानी कंसेप्ट है, एंड मार्जिन बोलने को तो मार्जिन ऑल्सो दिस मच. इट्स क्रेजी. इट विल ओपन टिल अ 3XL. Look at this. Super soft cotton premium dyes. Another premium article. Again, you need not wear a dupatta with it or use your own. We have sizing in this up till a 3XL. And it's an exclusive diaries in the black and white and a muslin edit. Single piece and an exclusive diaries. Look at the piece, how the cowl is coming here. And we will given a trouser which is a green color. All handwork, very well matched. Classic piece in a cotton chiffon fabric. Is again an exclusive diaries of Mystic Studio. Another one. We were all sold on this piece, guys. ऑल सोल्ड थे हम. सिंगल पीस वी डिस्कवर्ड इन द स्टूडियो इज ऑल हैंड पेंट. दिस पीस हैड गॉन ऑन अ वेटिंग. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल नाइस नंबर. Another one, single piece and an exclusive number. Hakoba, all handwork and a rich piece with a margin. So again I'm repeating, these are boutique pieces, Mystic Studio. Look at the amount of margin. These are not available in any markets. ये exclusive pieces हैं हमारे. And another piece, this is a beautiful nice bohemian. Another one is all a hand work, beautiful handwork, and this is the bottom with a highlight of embroidery. Very well matched, long cords. जैसे लड़कियां आजकल दुपट्टा नहीं चाहती, उसके लिए हमने ये बनाया है. और जॉर्जेट प्रीमियम सीरीज विद अ मार्जिन. Again a Pakistani one, exclusive Mystic Studio series. ये fabric is to die for. It's the muslin premium series, not available in any market. Look at the class of the piece. Isn't it pretty? Plus sizes तक ये piece जाएगा. Up till 5XL available. Price is strictly on demand. A piece on sale. This is the lower. Price is only and only 1,888. 1,888. All handwork. पूरा इसमें हाथ का काम आप देखो कितना बेहतरीन है. साइज इसका XL तक जाए. Another very pretty piece. Look at the amount of work. It's again a long cord. Very rich series. Again Georgette का lower इस तरह का. Again you don't get it in any Lajpat Nagars or Malviya Nagars or anything, though we have one unit there. This is a beautiful piece. 2,588 on sale. Medium to a double XL. Another exclusive piece. Again a boutique piece. With this bag, look at the work on the lower. और ये काम बहुत सुंदर है. Look at the work on the sleeves. Isn't it pretty? पूरा मसलिन का nice number. 2-piece quad. This is a Indo-Western pieces on sale by Mystic Studio. So these are beautiful nice wrinkled dresses. All handwork. बहुत प्यारे से pieces हैं ये guys. और size इनका जाएगा medium to XL. Price इसका जाएगा only 1,495 on the Mystic Studio sale diaries. And now look at the beautiful colors. And the colors beautiful? Yes, they are. 1,495 on sale. Another piece is similar to it. Is 1,495 on sale. Please note it. With all the kind of handwork. ये वाला आपका double XL तक जाएगा. पहले वाली 4XL तक जाएगा. Another piece is another Georgette piece. ये भी आपका XL तक जाएगा. बहुत प्यारा सा piece है. और ये भी 1,495 ही. Another one is a small, medium and a large. Please note the sizing. Small, medium, large. If we have plus sizes, we'll let you know. And now a classic gown. ये वाला आपका गाउन जो है 2,488 पे जाएगा और बहुत प्यारा सा गाउन है. Very pretty dresses and they are on sale at 1,395 only. Precisely, they are 1,400. Look at the kaddana. Another piece. So वो थी डबल XL तक, मीडियम टू डबल XL. और ये है सिर्फ स्मॉल मीडियम लार्जेस के लिए एक बहुत प्रिटी सा नाइस इंडो वेस्टर्न इन द मेरून कलर फॉर 1,495. अ ट्विन सेट. मीडियम से लेकर XL तक ये ट्विन सेट आप डाल सकते हैं. बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है और इसमें ये लोअर्स है. Another one. ये हमारे पास स्मॉल मीडियम और डबल XL दोनों में है. इस तरह की पैंट्स आएंगी. The price is totally 1,495. A very classic article. Very, very classic article. Sizes small, medium, large. Please note the sizing. That's the only size left with us. At the most XL. और ये इसका neck piece, ये इसका lower. Price is 1888. Plus sizes we haven't forgotten you. Beautiful number with the lowers, with this wooden neck piece, 1495. Very nice sets. ये आप ड्रेस भी डाल सकते हो और पैंट्स भी डाल सकते हो. 1495 पे हैं और बहुत प्यारे से सेट्स हैं. विद ड्रेस डालो, ड्रेस डालना चाहो, नहीं डालना चाहो तो विद द ट्राउजर्स रेडी. स्मॉल, मीडियम एंड लार्जेस्ट में ये है फ्लैट 1000. अनदर वन मीडियम टू एक्सेल पर है 1350. लुक एट द बॉटम, 1350 वर्थ पीस. वेरी नाइस आर्टिकल. एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल और ट्रिपल एक्सेल को आएगा. साइज इसका रहेगा एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल, ट्रिपल एक्सेल 1495. वेरी नाइस हाई लो सूट. Size will go from medium to a double XL. The size I have told you. Look at the very nice laces on the sleeves. It's a complete boutique piece, high low. 1495. Very pretty dress. Flat 999. Flat 999 with the neck piece. Very, very pretty dress. Another very nice buddies. दोनों के दोनों मीडियम टू एक्सेल जाएंगे और दोनों के दोनों आप ट्राउजर के साथ ले सकते हो 1495 में. दे आर वेरी नाइस एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड पीसेस लाइक दिस. अमेजिंगली ब्यूटिफुल ड्रेस, कम ट्यूनिक. साइजिंग इसकी जा रही है मीडियम टू डबल एक्सेल. बहुत प्यारा सा नंबर है. लुक एट दिस. प्राइस जा रहा है 1650. Small, medium, larges, we haven't forgotten you with this beautiful piece. Look at this. Price is 1650. Another number. It's the kaftan look in muslin. 1495. Another one. स्मॉल, मीडियम और लार्जेस्ट को आएगा. वैसे आपको किसी भी साइज में 3XL तक पीस मिल जाएगा, XL तक जाएगा. लुक एट दिस. एक्सेल तक जा रहा है. प्राइस इज 1650. एंड अदर वेरी नाइस डायरीज. एक्सेल टू 3XL तक विद अ काउल. इट्स अ ड्रेस. लुक एट दिस. द प्राइस इज 1500. वेरी रिच पीस. मीडियम से लेकर 3XL तक अवेलेबल. प्राइस इज 1650. एंड अनदर नंबर is this. Medium to 3XL tak available. Look at the work on the pockets. Perfect travel wear. A very rich article. One of the pieces which I am showing you. ये आपके sizes जा रहे हैं. ये वाला small, medium, large है. ये वाला XL, double XL and large है. इस पे बना है birdie. Price है 1650.